Are you looking a property in Pampanga that provides the ideal lifestyle for you and your family? Mel is here to explore the newly launched project by Borland Development Corporation. This is located in the heart of Barangay Lara, San Fernando, Pampanga. Welcome to the Nisa Townhomes. Whether you're looking to invest or settle down, don't miss out this opportunity to own a piece of paradise in one of Pampanga's most vibrant neighborhoods and experience the perfect blend of comfort and convenience. The Nisa Townhomes is designed with the modern homeowner in mind, and each home is thoughtfully laid out to maximize space utilization and comfort, creating an inviting environment for families and individuals alike. Beyond its well-appointed interiors, the Nisa Townhomes provides a range of amenities that cater to the diverse needs of its residents. Experience comfort and convenience at the Nisa Townhomes. Schedule your visit today. Interested? Send us a message for more details and site viewing. Let's make your dream home happen here in the Nisa Townhomes. Thank you for watching. Follow for more videos. Bye!